Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 11T, and today I will show you how to put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, all you need to do is hold the power key and select power off. Now once the device turns off, simply hold the power key and volume up at the same time, and you will hold both of those keys till you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen, at which point you will let go of both of them. So I'm gonna do that right now, power and volume up. There's the logo, and there's the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options and power key to select or confirm whatever is selected. And obviously you can see we can reboot the device, wipe data from here, connect to MIAssistan and boot the device into safe mode. And because I want to just leave this mode and go back to the normal one, I'm gonna stick with the reboot option, reboot to system, and this will take me back. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.